Hey, fam, you got these in the size 46?
46 for who?
Oh, for me.
Good, man.
46. I don't know 46. They're extra size, man.
I don't got this 46. You work here?
Yeah, I work here.
You don't work here.
Yeah, I work here, bro. What the fuck? What? Boy, yeah, I gotta go, boy.
What happened?
Boy, you sneezing, bitch. I seen like cloud of shit, boy. You got some. You gotta go, boy. Boy, yeah, I gotta get on out of here, boy. Come on, bro. You gotta leave this snow, bro. You can't shot here, boy. Hell no, boy. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. I'm gonna call the police, bro. Go ahead, boy. I'm gonna call the police, bro. Get your ass around here, boy. Ain't right.
It's just
boy.
a virus, cuz. Y'all tripping. It's just a virus.
You gotta go, baby. You gotta go, man.
Hold on, let me just. Hey man, what's up? Man, you got corona or some shit? Oh, bro, you sneezing and shit. Don't sneeze on me, bro. Hey man, say man, it's your boy Smoochy. Yo, back with another video, man. Hold on, before this video start, I want to say I kind of do got a little eye booger in my eye, but y'all spare me. Y'all know I'm clean, right? In today's video, we got another hood video. Oh yeah, I'm with my boy Pompano Randy. Yeah, Smooth. Yeah, it's time to crank up again. It's time to crank up again. But look, y'all, in today's video, I know everybody, this whole world been going crazy, stupid crazy about this whole coronavirus stuff. So it's only right that I bring y'all a hood video of the coronavirus. Today we will be doing coronavirus in the hood. My last video got 100K likes, so I gotta bounce back for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into the video. You dig?
Breaking a bet, no. Show on that lame nigga, he ain't got stacks, no. Show on that broke nigga, he ain't got racks, no.
What you mean?
What y'all playing me like that, man?
What? What I did?
You sneezing by me and shit, man. Tighten the fuck up, man.
Sneezing?
What's your problem, man?
I got allergies. Hold on. I got
I'm
allergies.
telling you, man, you gonna get yourself dealt with out here now.
Hey fam, I kinda got corona and shit like that, and I'm trying.
What? Oh, what's up, bro?
I got corona. You might have it.
You got it.
You do now. Hey, hold on. What you said the cure for corona is?
Oh, long you black, don't worry about it.
You said as long as you what?
Black.
You know the little virus that's going around? I got that bitch. You got 50? Yeah, I need change. That's your dog over there?
Yeah, man, I'm a dog, man. You know he on that fucking shit, man.
Man, you gotta tell that boy get off that.
I don't move, dog. Bro. Fuck, man, come on, bro. Coronavirus out here, man.
Nah, hold on. My bad. Nah, I got the sniffles and shit.
What?
Like,
Man, you see what happened to Kevin Durant and all them, man? Shit crazy.
no, I got allergies and shit.
Hey, man. What the fuck that? Bro, come on, man. What you doing? What the fuck that was, bro? You just sneezed on me, man. You tripping, fam? Hey, it's coronavirus.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, the fuck?
You got another.
What's going on, here, Ro? You just got a plan crazy.
What you mean?
What you got going on?
What you doing? Corona?
About corona disease, bro?
I ain't got no disease. I ain't got no disease, but I got corona. Hey! So you got a lighter?
Yeah.
You need a lighter. Wait, hold on. You got that corona shit?
Yeah.
What? You got that? Come on, Kevin, check it out.
Reverse psychology, yeah.
You got corona? You say what? You got corona? Because I do.
No, I ain't got no.
Nigga got corona in his ass.
And I feel I'm scarred from my wrong. Or maybe it's I'm just too
Look, bro, you just sneezed on me.
Hey, I got corona. Hold on.
shit cause I ain't no trust.
What's that? I can't hear you.
He does wrong. I just wanna make
What's that?
What you got going on?
Just doing pull-ups. What you mean?
Yo, you got to fuck around here when you coughing and sneezing and shit. What's wrong? What you got going on?
I got corona.
Bitch, you need to quarantine. What the fuck you got going on? You need to get
Quarantine?
Yeah. You need to be at the hospital or something. You got to get from around here.
Man, I'm straight.
Man, straight.
Hey, listen. I got. Hey, you straight, girl? You sneeze on me? What's on? Hey, hold on, my G, hold on, nigga.
What's up?
Nigga, hold on. Nigga, I'm talking about the motherfucking drink, nigga.
Oh, okay, what's up? You some meat?
No, what's wrong with you? Big buddy ass boy. I ain't got no damn virus. Looking like Larry Fitzgerald and shit. Nigga, I'm a soldier, nigga. Stop playing. It's just a little scratch. Come on, next clip. Let's slide. Huh? Are you selling stuff?
Yeah.
What you got?
I got pickles, mango. Hey, bro, step back, please.
What you mean?
You got that Rona, bro. Step back.
Rona?
Yeah, bro. Hold on, bro. You gotta step back. Well, I'm a white step, man.
What you said?
Cuz, can you step back, cuz? I'll say a fruit sip. Come on, cuz. Hey, shit. Bro, I'm closed.
I can't buy
Nah,
that?
I'm closed, bro. I'm closed.
I just got corona. It ain't that serious.
Cuz, I'm closed, cuz. Can you please step back, cuz?
I can't get
Nah!
Even
You can take everything.
I can take this
Take
too?
everything. Take everything. Hurry up.
But it's hands.
Ah!
You,
Alright, so you got that shit. You got it. Bye.
this too?
No. Take all of it, cuz. God damn. Take all this shit, man. Alright, cuz. Alright, Aaron, y'all got rolling shit, man. Now I got to go in the house for 14 days. Cuz, don't take the cookie. Don't take the cookie. Cuz, hold on. Yeah, bring the cookie. Fuck it. Bye. Damn.
That big ass. Oh. Hold on, you the same one from Blessico. What it do, mama? Boy, you never know who you might find in the hood. Boy, what it do, Blessico? What's your name, Shamar? You look like Shamar. What's your name is? What? Huh? About the Blessico Birds. Supposed to be playing football, you got these tight ass pants on like you about to ride a skateboard. Boy, only in the hood, boy. Only in the hood, boy. Hey, Pale, what you doing, Pale? Pale, tripping, folk. Hey, man, you got $1? Anything like that? Like you ain't got no change on you, nothing like that? What you mean? What you mean?
What are you doing right now?
What is you doing? I just asked if you got $1.
And shit.
I just got corona. That's all it is.
You said what?
What you mean?
You said what?
Stupid. Drink. Camera right there, boy. Let's slide.